Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am reviewing the Oscillation Extended, Reshaped, and Multiplied Lashes in 01 Black by Lancome. And if you're not familiar with the Oscillation black motion, it's really cool. It kind of seems a little silly. First time I tried this was about 9 years ago. And it has this little button here, and if you can see, it just slightly vibrates. The oscillation is just very subtle. I don't know if you can hear it. Bzzz. So this is a full-size mascara, the darkest black that it comes. Can't really see a whole lot on there, it just says Lancome. And I'd have to say, out of all mascaras, which I have about 20 to 25 mascaras, this is the best of all of them. It builds really nicely. What I'll usually do is 2 to 3 coats on my right eyelash. First I'll curl them. Then I will use this to do 3 coats on one eyelash, 3 coats on the other eyelash, let them dry a little bit, go back and do 3 more coats on the right eyelash, and go back to the left eyelash, do 3 more coats, let it dry a little bit, and do another 3 coats. So I do about 9 coats in total. So I like a good big lashy look when I'm putting on my makeup. I think mascara and lipstick are the 2 things that really stand out on your face when you do your makeup. What's great about this is that it allows you to get to all the little lashes. It's curved, so the brush is slightly curved, but it allows you to get to all the tiny lashes with the vibration. You just press down this little button and it vibrates just slightly, just a tiny bit. It allows you to get into there and get the tiny lashes that aren't normally caught by a mascara brush. So like I said, I was introduced to this about 8 or 9 years ago, and I keep trying other mascaras. I don't know why, but you're always on the quest for the perfect mascara. I know every person who likes makeup is always on the look for the next best thing. That's one of the things that they're always advertising for, is mascara. But this one in particular, the Oscillating Extended, Reshaped, and Multiplied Lashes in 01 Black Motion by Lancome, is pretty darn awesome. It comes pretty close to perfect. I give it about 4.7 out of 5. It's not exactly perfect. I mean, no mascara is perfect. But this is pretty close to it. Really awesome. Don't take my word for it. Try it yourself. Thank you for watching, and give this Lancome Oscillating Mascara a try. Thanks for watching.